you so much for joining me in today's video. I have my March update for Beauty A to Z. This is Fantastic Ladies collab that was created by Amanda and Jessica, and this is, I believe, the 6th year, and this is my 2nd year doing it all eyeshadow. Now, before we get into this, if you missed my Throwback 30 update, 2 things: cut the hair, and my husband has COVID. Filming this on the 28th, I am batch filming probably 2 weeks full of updates, etc. So you're going to be seeing this outfit, etc. for the next couple of weeks. Hopefully I don't catch it. I felt fine so far. So we'll just have to wait and see. With that in mind, up till now, I've had this as a rolling project. I'm going to pause that for this month. And then in April, I will start rolling eyeshadows back in. So I do have some pans that I hit this month, so I'm really excited to share those with you. I'm going to pop up what my current palette looks like, and I'll walk you through shade by shade. And let me pull up mine. I haven't taken the picture yet, so okay. We're gonna skip A, B, and then go to C. I brought in Call Me On My Shellphone from Klarity, and it took me 3 uses to hit pan. Anytime you've seen me in a blue look, this was on top. This is gorgeous. It's very, very flaky though, so it's very, very easy to hit pan. But really, really pretty. I really enjoyed wearing it. So this one is going to go back into the collection. Next, we have Enigma, which is that pink one from, what's it called? Lethal. I've used that 3 times since the last update. Next, we have Fruity. This was one of the ones that carried over from the last year. So as of the last update, I'd used it 7 times. I've used it 8 more times for a total of, what is that, 15 times to hit pan. That is a shimmer from Glamlite, so they're pretty malleable. I'm really surprised this one took, actually, I'm pretty surprised at how long this one actually took me, because normally they go a little bit quicker, but oh, I should put these 2 together. Let's oh, I should have done that. I didn't. I didn't, but I should have. Next, we have a second pan, and this is the shade Glass Slipper from Looxi. And as in the last update, I'd used it twice. I used it 6 more times for a total of 8 to hit pan. You can tell that I was using this as an inner corner shade. And that's it right here. It kind of flips from white to gold. Really, really pretty and pretty supple to hit pan on. Next we have Halo. I've used twice. Incarnate, I've used twice. I didn't use Jelly whatsoever. The next pan we have is Kindred from Lethal. As of the last update, I'd used that 6 times. I used it 3 more times to hit pan. I had to really pile this one on, and that might be why I was able to hit pan so quickly. This is literally the colors in my craft room. Like aqua, purple, and coral. So yeah, I really, really love this shade. It's really, really pretty. So that is, that's the 4th pan. The next one that has any use is Red Mist. That one is from Sydney Grace. I've used it 4 times. It kind of shifts from pink to white. It's really, really pretty. Let me mark these so I don't lose track. Next we have is Terrasphere, and I have used that 8 times. 8 times. That is what's on the middle part of my eye today. I honestly thought I was going to hit pan in this today, and I didn't. But damn, is it pretty. Look at that. Oh, I'm painting a red matte. This is a red shadow, but I love how it shifts. And depending on what you've put underneath it, because I use this mostly as a topper shade, it kind of takes on whatever you put under it. So I've been enjoying that shade pretty much a lot. A lot. I'm trying to hit pan in that and a red matte. Do we have anything else? Under the Sea, which is from Looxi, I have used 3 times. It's beautiful. I haven't worn a ton of blue looks since the last time I saw you, but I've worn it three different looks. And then the other one is Ready or Yacht. That is one from the Baby Got Peach. Is that the one from Colourpop? And that is the update. It's really simple when I'm not bringing any in, right? So those are the ones that have some use. For the next update, hopefully I can bring new shades in. I will probably have Pan and Terrasphere. I just have a feeling I will have Pan in that. And I will probably try to have Pan in, let's see, probably Lettuce and Onion, Red Mist, and maybe some of these other Looxi shadows that are getting pretty close. So yeah. Anywho, that's it. That's the update. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. I will have everyone that is doing this listed in the description box. There's a sign-up sheet, and then there's a master list of participants. You can also use search by using the hashtag. And yeah, that's it. I really do appreciate you. Like I said, I apologize that you're getting so many videos with this look, but I don't want to go 2 full weeks without you guys having any content. And if I feel fine, then it won't be such a big deal. But if I do get sick, I want you guys to have some stuff to watch for me. Plus, I love seeing you guys' comments and stuff. It just makes me feel better. So yeah, but that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.